Alright, Matt Jackson here, Amley Innovations, maker of the Atlas Mounts No Drill Mounting Kit. We're here to show method 3 of how to remove an Atlas base from it being installed. Method 3 is simply you torque down the stud into the base with a pair of pliers. So you really need just a pair of pliers and the stud that comes with the Atlas Mounts kit, and you torque it down. This produces a lot of downward force and it will break the bond. So step 1 is you just take the stud and screw it down with no other hardware, just the stud into the base. Take your pair of pliers, vice grip pliers, vice grip style, the locking style. Lock it down onto the threads. It may actually damage the threads a bit, but you got to have a lot of pressure on it, and you just begin to torque it down, and bam, there you go. It applies a lot of pressure. It seems like that was actually pretty effortless, but that's a function of how much pressure is being applied down to there. It's an incredible amount of pressure, and it causes the base to just come off really easily. That's it. So 3 methods: extreme heat through a heat gun, for example; extreme cold through compressed air. Liquid nitrogen is awesome if you have that at your disposal, or also dry ice for step 2. Method 3 is simply downward force into the base from the stud itself, and that's it.